A service mesh, traffic management between microservices. In the next few minutes, we walk through what it means, why it matters, how it works at a high level, and where it shows up in practice. By the end, you will have a clear mental model of a service mesh and how it fits the bigger picture. Let us get started. Let us start with the core idea behind a service mesh. Here are the essentials of a service mesh in plain language, what it is, and why it was introduced. A service mesh has become one of those terms you keep seeing in posts, product launches, and team discussions. It is worth getting a clear, precise definition. Behind the label is a concrete need. A service mesh was created to solve a real problem, not for marketing reasons. Once you understand it, you read documentation, vendor proposals, and analyst reports with much more confidence. And like most useful ideas in this space, a service mesh connects to fundamentals you probably already know. We map those connections clearly. Now let us look at why a service mesh matters in practice. Here is where a service mesh shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. A service mesh shapes how teams design, measure, and improve modern systems. It is part of the decision set for every serious organization in its space. You see it in job interviews, architecture discussions, vendor evaluations, and quarterly reviews. Fluency in it is part of the basic vocabulary now. It influences practical trade-offs around cost, quality, risk, and time to value, the dimensions that matter most in real organizations. Understanding a service mesh helps you ask sharper questions, push back on hype, and make smarter decisions about where to invest. Let us recap the key takeaways on a service mesh and what to do next. A service mesh is one of the foundational concepts shaping its space today. It has a concrete meaning beyond the marketing, and that meaning is worth learning. Knowing it pays off when you read content, build systems, or make investment decisions. A natural next step is to explore the related concepts in our overview series, where each topic gets the same treatment. That is a service mesh in a nutshell. If you found this useful, subscribe for more explainers, and check out our full course for a structured walkthrough of the ideas and tools in this area. Links in the description. See you in the next video.